Sunday, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me for a shortcut tutorial. Today, I am just going to show you how you can utilize what you have around the house to make some really nice card surfaces. And pretty much that's it. I would be utilizing, I utilize, as a matter of fact, just a blank piece of white cardstock paper, three different, well, I think I used the red, the blue. I think I misplaced the blue. Oh, there we are. I used these three color pens. They are actually some nice rolling boil precision V5 pens from Pilot. They're nice, fine point, but you could use gel pens. You could use anything you have, with color. A ruler, pretty much of any length that would go across your paper, and pretty much that's it. And I will show you the finished design and what I did, but this basically I used to decorate a couple of the corners. So that's it. So I'm going to show you the end result, because when I first did the video, as usual, I don't know why it keeps happening, but I had difficulty pulling the video. But if you notice in the background here, if I can bring it closer, you can see I have drawn sets of lines. I did the green, the blue. I went diagonal in one direction, and then I went diagonal in the other direction. So we have this kind of checkered pattern in the back. So once that is done, pretty much that would be your background. Then of course you would add your, whatever embellishments you would like. And these are just some extra things I had about the place. So I just, kind of slapped it together. I'm not decided what occasion I'm going to use it for yet. However, that's pretty much it. So even if you don't have like any die cuts or anything that, you can utilize as far as card making, just know that there are things around the house you can use. So I would just do a part, just quick demonstration as to how I started. And of course, you saw the end result. So the first thing I did was I just did some lines. Just made sure that the lines were not too far apart, but in proximity. So, pretty much like this. And then I alternated it. So at least you can see what I did. So once I was finishing the first set of 4 lines of red, I kind of did a space between, and then I went ahead and got the green again. I just made sure that I let, the spacing was kind of uniform. You can kind of eyeball it. And then that was that set. And then I continued with the blue. Same thing, leave a space between the sets, as long as it doesn't have, the spaces between the groups of lines doesn't necessarily have to be exact, but just do your best. And then of course the last line. So that's pretty much what I did, going pretty much like this. So I just swapped the lines, so red, green, blue, red, green, blue, red, green, blue, till I got to the end. And of course I did this side as well, and then I ended up going in the other direction, so that we ended up with this pattern. Okay, so just be creative. You can use anything around the house for shapes, or anything, and just see what you come up with. That's what creativity is all about. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next couple of weeks, because I will be traveling. So thank you guys for watching, and I wish you guys all the best. Bye-bye.